कि खूबोर का बातें सी TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Khih West Group of Institution Bangalore kubladon kumasan postemi bat kabapau baha kod admission na kabunta ka nursing and paramedical course yaki jingte bakambanya kol hakini ki number harum Uba polling do ublalong menteri bakmi yakatran social welfare jonga sarkar jilla hak apply tri ujumang arajar pusau ulalum daga jingalang yaki photli ki Dorbar Shnong ki bha papo ka West Shillong constituency panithire ta hlo ki buon ki man bar khamtam hak bia day bak jingjile shba pala jong Drok Hakji kran bekla pathai ku bor ba polling do uligi thoru bhagsngi ba ar jaga tayo ku bansawan ku menteri unsalum jinglang ya katana pulet penyathiri ta halo ki babon ki man but hakabe day but ka drug reduction limitation and action mission nega dream project
It's convened in order to elicit opinion from the 10 Dorbar Shnongs of West Shillong constituency on various issues confronting the constituency, including matters relating to development and also concerns regarding the drug menace. So, where developmental activities are concerned, there were issues raised concerning water, power supply, LPG connections and distribution, and road capacity, traffic. Those were issues raised, and also we discussed about the situation that has now become very rampant, which is the growth of drug users and traffickers in the constituency. So, in the presence of government officials, the various concerns were raised and addressed, and also we have agreed for an on-spot inspection of the various sites within the constituency relating to demarcation of traffic junctions and also for parking lots to be earmarked within the constituency. The various action plans that we have in mind. A new initiative will be now to coordinate better with the local Dorbars, which was one of the concerns raised at today's meeting. So in this regard, a meeting is being convened, a meeting of the state level dream mission is being convened on Tuesday next, which will be attended by officials including the DG Police and senior officials of the Home Police Department, where we have identified certain gaps and missing links between the activities of the social welfare and the Home Police Department. These various concerns of the department will be highlighted at the meeting scheduled for 2 p.m. of Tuesday next. We will examine various aspects. As of now, in the current financial year, we have a balance of roughly 4.5 crore rupees, which we will spend for various initiatives and programs to try to curtail and eradicate drug menace from Meghalaya. So this will be the point that you had raised will also be one of the issues that we will discuss at Tuesday's meeting, and we will also try to identify reputed NGOs and self-help groups, civil society groups, which we will request their support in coming forward, and we will incentivize them with allocation of certain funds in order to help the government in its endeavor. And we would like DREAM to be a community-oriented program. As has happened in the case of Maulai Town, Dorbar, whoever have been under their care, there was not a single rupee charged from any of those beneficiaries for the entire period of their stay until they were certified to have completed the entire orientation and counseling program. So it was totally free of cost. A set of SOPs, but we will need to further revisit those SOPs in order to mitigate chances of incidents like you mentioned. The meeting scheduled for Tuesday next is very important because we will first try to have a point of synergy and consensus with the Home Police Department. Now, a new DGP has just taken over. A new mission director of the DREAM project has already been identified, and she will take over once the MCC period is over. And therefore, there will be a new approach, hands-on approach towards the problem of drug menace. We will tackle it with all the firmness required. And after the session on Tuesday with the Home Police Department, where we expect that it will culminate in a synergy of approach, we will then involve all the MLAs across the state and call them probably on a district wise basis.